Hi everyone, this is Yugmar from Robs Organization. So today we will discuss in the 10th class the third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. So in the last class, in the polynomials, how to find the quadratic polynomial when they are giving sum of zeros and product of zeros, and when they are giving the zeros of the polynomial. From the zeros of the polynomial, how to find the quadratic polynomial. That's everything we learned in the previous video. So now in the third chapter, so about the pair of linear equations, first what is the relation between the number of solutions and the quadratic, pair of linear equations. Okay, number of solutions and type of lines and that equations. That's we'll see here. So if we take two pair of linear equations, so by using that one, third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this chapter, first we learn what is the relation between the pair of linear equations and type of lines and number of solutions. So first here see equations and relation between coefficients, type of lines and number of solutions. Number of solutions. If you go through this, so we will see this. If we observe this, first one, so pair of linear equations, the two are a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here in these coefficients are a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 are the coefficients. Okay. Now here relation a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the type of lines are intersecting lines. They are consistent lines. The number of solutions is unique solution or single solution. So this is the, so when they a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines are intersecting lines. Okay, right. Next second one is if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then the relation a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. See here, observe carefully. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then the lines are parallel lines. So parallel lines and here these are inconsistent lines. These lines are inconsistent lines. Inconsistent lines. Then there is no solutions. No solutions. Okay, right. Next, another one is here a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 అయితే అప్పుడు లైన్స్ అనేవి కోఇన్సిడెంట్ లైన్స్ అవుతాయి లేదా డిపెండెంట్ లైన్స్ అవుతాయి. డిపెండెంట్ లైన్స్ అవుతాయి, అప్పుడు టచ్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి అవి కన్సిస్టెంట్ లైన్స్ అవుతాయి. అప్పుడు సొల్యూషన్స్ అనేవి ప్రతి పాయింట్ దగ్గర టచ్ అవుతాయి కాబట్టి ఇన్ఫినిటివ్లీ మెనీ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. So this is the relation between the pair of linear equations and the coefficients and type of lines and number of solutions. Okay, so if you learn this one, if you know the relation, if you know this relation, then easily you can identify what type of lines are there. So when they are giving the pair of equations, by using that one of the pair of linear equations. Okay, this is very important for this chapter. First we should remember this relation. Okay, so this now we'll see. So all of you on this relation between number of solutions. Okay, understand everyone carefully again. So after this one we'll move the another step. Okay, now we'll move to the another step in this one. So this is the table given. So here not clearly, but we learned in the table neatly each and everything, the relation, and they are given here, they given just the examples and just simply relation, but we written clearly what is the relation between the zeros and the coefficients, the number of solutions, coefficients and the relation. Okay, so in this one we should learn about the exercise 3.1. so in the exercise 3.1 what they given, first you will see that. So in the exercise 3.1 they given if you observe that exercise, just they have given the relation between the zeros and the coefficients in the exercise 3.1. That's we'll see. In this exercise 3.1 they mentioned here, see first question, form the pair of linear equations problems and find their solutions graphically, they ask. Okay, now first we will see this. First we should how to form the equations for the given statement. 10 students of class 10 took a part in a mathematics quiz. So in the class, in the 10th class 10 students are boys కంటే 4 ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు. Now find the number of boys and girls who took in a part in the quiz. That's we have to find. Okay, so here they mentioned 10 students are participating in that one. Girls and boys are there. అందులో కూడా గర్ల్స్ అనే వాళ్ళు బాయ్స్ కంటే 4 మెంబర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్ ఎంత, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గర్ల్స్ ఎంత, దీన్ని గ్రాఫికల్గా వాళ్ళు ఫైండ్ దేర్ సొల్యూషన్స్ గ్రాఫికల్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వీ షుడ్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గర్ల్స్ విల్ సీ. For this one, first we will find the solution. Now, in this, let number of boys in a class. Okay, number of boys in the class who participated in maths quiz. Maths quiz is equal to X. Then the girls are 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, then number of girls in maths quiz is equal to X plus 4. Okay, that's we can write as Y, but the number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys. So here we can write, here in bracket we can write Y is equal to X plus 4. Okay, therefore X is equal to Y is equal to X plus 4. So from this X minus Y is equal to 4. It is equation 1. And the number of boys and girls both are in the class is 10 members. They are participating. So from these two equations, take it as equation 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. 1 and 2 equation 2 plus 1 implies X plus Y X plus Y is equal to 10 and X minus Y is equal to 4. From this Y cancel, 2X is equal to 14, X is equal to 1 to 7, so 7 members. From this X plus Y is equal to 10. From this 7 plus Y is equal to 10. From this Y is equal to 3. So here we can write Y is equal to 3. Here we can say it is here X is equal to 10. X is equal to 7. Then Y is equal to 3. Here we can say it is Y will get cancelled. Here Y we are taking as girls. Here Y is equal to X plus 4. From this we can say it is, from this here we can write Y is equal to X plus 4. X plus 4. From this here we can say it is 7 plus 4. Y is equal to 11. So number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys. Here we can say it is, this is here X minus Y is equal to 4 and X plus Y, number of boys and girls both participating in the quiz, both are participating in the quiz is 10 members. Then X plus Y is equal to, how many members are participating? 10 members. From this we can say it is here X plus Y value, we can say it is X plus 4 is equal to 10. From this 2X is equal to 10 minus 4. Then X is equal to 10 minus 4, 6 by 2, here into 2. Then we can say it is X is equal to 3. Here, so number of girls in the Maths quiz is 7 members and number of boys in the maths quiz is 3. Okay. So here 7 is 3 more than the 7 is 4 more than the 3. So like this we have to find. So now we know what are the equations. X plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y, or so here number of boys and girls. So here the relation between the boys and girls, y is equal to x plus 4. This is one equation, and from that y is equal to 10 minus x. So from these two equations we can draw the graph for this one. Okay. So here simply they asked, we can find by using these values we can find the graphical method. Okay. Now we'll see how to draw the graph for this. So here we got one is in this first one x plus y is equal to 10 1 and x minus y. So here x plus 4 is equal to 10 minus x. So for this table, if you draw the table, so it is x, it is y. So here x, y is equal to 10 minus x comma y point. So if we take x as 0, then y is 10, then 0 comma 10. Now if we take y 0, then 10 minus x, then x is equal to 10. Then 10 comma 0 we can say it is. Now we can write here, see, so when x is, this is the one, now we'll take x is 2, if we take x2, then y is equal to 8, 2 comma 8. Next if we take x is minus 2, then 10 plus 2, 12, minus 2 comma 12. For this, if we make the table, it is x, is y is equal to x plus 4, from this x comma y. So when x 0, y 4, 0 comma 4. When y 0, then x is equal to minus 4 comma 0. Similarly, minus 2, so plus 2, minus 2 comma plus 2. When we take 2, x is 2, then y is equal to 6. So 2 comma 6. These are the tables for this. Okay, right. So for this table, if we draw the graph for this, like this it will come, then it is like this, x dash, x and y dash, it is y dash. So it is origin here maximum 12. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 8. 10, 11, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 8, minus 9. Here also, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. So like this. So for first table we'll go, first table, when x is 0, then y is 10. Here. And when y is 0, then x is 10. Then we can take here. Then when x is 2, then y is 8. So here it will come. Next, so when x is minus 2, then